What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm here at Eric's shop, Reflection Automotive, helping him out today, doing a Model 3 full body PPF with Xpel. We got the full kit cut out here.
I'm spraying the air now.
You're spraying the air. So this is a little trick that we use just to get rid of all the dust in the air. And then we often also spray ourselves down. So helps lessen the chance of contamination in the film. So I'm gonna go ahead, and I think we're starting with the hood. Hood.
We're gonna do the hood. We're each gonna do the fenders. We're gonna do the front bumper together, and then we're gonna work our way to the back.
Awesome. So yeah, like I said, we're doing full body PPF. It's gonna be a good day. Perfect alignment. Well, we've got fender done. Eric's prepping the bumper, or re-prepping again, just to make sure everything's good. Hood's done, and we've been at this for about 40 minutes, yeah. Hammering through this thing today. And don't tell me that that's not good alignment. Oh, dang it, it's not me. It's all Xpel. They do have amazing patterns. He's not wrong. All right, guys, so we are now about 2 hours, just over 2 hours into our install, and we have gotten the whole front end done. Bumper, hood, both fenders. This door's done, that door's done, this pillar's done. So, moving along here really well today. time to go get some lunch and then back at it. What's up, guys? Day 2 on the Tesla. We just first knocked this thing out. Eric's just finishing it up. I'm gonna continue on the hatch, do this bottom piece here, which is this guy. And then pretty much lunchtime long. So definitely past lunchtime, but we have lunch on the way. So I'm gonna knock this out, and then I think I'm doing mirrors and the touchscreen on the inside. Well guys, that's it for me on this Tesla for now. I gotta go home, have supper, and then get some racks made for you guys. By you guys, I mean anyone that places orders, has placed orders in the last couple days. Just finished up the rear bumper. We have the whole sides are done. I have the mirrors done, but not done. So I've done bulk mirrors, and we're just gonna let them sit like this overnight. And then Eric's gonna come and trim them tomorrow. That way we know for sure they're not gonna lift up. If they're gonna lift now, and then he can trim it tomorrow. Post heat that. We've got the front end all done. Obviously it needs to be cleaned up. Eric is also going to be doing full ceramic coating on this afterwards. So I got this mirrored here too. There we go. We also need to still do all the edges on this, but Eric's gonna do that later tonight, I think you said. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment your thoughts down below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. There'll be more future content coming soon. That's all I've got for you guys today. Have a good night. Peace.